Hello viewers, today we are going to see a working principle of catalytic converter. I am Rajesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Welcome to the lecture. A catalytic converter. A catalytic converter is a component which is used in the automobiles, which is used to remove the toxic gases that are present in the burn fuel. These catalytic converters are main component which eliminates the harmful gases and sends out the filtered gases from the exhaust gas to the atmosphere. What is present in a catalytic converter? A catalytic converter has different components. You can see the slide. It eliminates the hydrocarbon, that is HC, carbon monoxide, that is CO, and the nitrogen oxide, that is NOx. So these are the harmful gases that are present in the burn fuel. You can see the clear picture of the catalytic converter. The main components are the intake of the exhaust gas and the filtered gas that are sent to the atmosphere, that is the tailpipe. You can see that are indicated in the red color and the blue color arrow marks. Other than this, the catalytic converter consists of the active material that are called catalytic material, that is aluminum oxide, cerium oxide, and rare earth stabilizer metals. The major reaction here is that the carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide, that is CO2. The hydrocarbons that are converted into H2O, and the nitrogen oxide that are converted and sent to the atmosphere as a harmless gases. This catalytic converter consists of a filter. That filter is used to eliminate the harmful gases. So at the end of the tailpipe, you can see here the hydrocarbons are converted into H2O. The carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide. The nitrogen oxide is converted into nitrogen. It is because of the active material that are present inside the catalytic converter. Generally, the catalytic converter is a stainless steel body covered by a stainless steel body. Inside the catalytic converter, you can see here the ceramic material are used in the honeycomb structure that are zoomed and shown in the exploded view. This device is installed in between the exhaust pipe and the tailpipe. So the exhaust pipe from the engine has the burn fuel that is sent through the catalytic converter, which converts the harmful gases into harmless gases and sends to the tailpipe as a harmless gases. There are three different types of catalytic converter. One is the two-way catalytic converter, which has only two direction. You can see the diagram of the two-way converter. So you can see here hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, and the secondary air. So these are converted into H2O and CO2. This two-way oxidation converters are used in the mid of 1980s to 1990s. They are designed to eliminate the hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide. So they are designed to eliminate only these two harmful gases. The next type is the three-way catalytic converter. You can see here, this three-way catalytic converter is used to eliminate three different gases. They are hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide. So these are converted and then it is sent to the atmosphere as a harmless gases. A catalytic converter plays a major role which the emission norms, to meet out the emission norms, all the automobile vehicles are installed with the catalytic converters. So these catalytic converters are a very important component when you see them as a pollution perspective. Other than this, there are many pollution norms so far indicated by the government. Now the government indicates Bharat Stage 6. So all the pollution and emission norms consist of the uh, range of the emission gases: nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbon, and carbon monoxide. So these catalytic converters are a major role in automobiles, which is used to reduce the emission, that is the tailpipe emission. So let us meet in another video. Thank you.